Walking view from above. This is crazy. I don't know. Okay, this is scary. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back for those of you who've been here before. Today we're at Sky Adventures in Arenal, in the Arenal National Park. We're going through the sky bridges. This is only a little one. Bet you're gonna see, stay tuned, you're gonna see some cool stuff. They have zip line in here, they have sky tram, they have a walking trail where you can go through these sky bridges that's normally through the canopy, the top of the canopy. This one is over the river. Just check it out, man. You're gonna love this. If you love the outdoors, you're gonna love this. I'll put the information in the end to see how you can get there if you want to do this as well. Check it out. You want to be friends? Everywhere I go, the animals just keep coming up to me. Go chase after your quality. Oh, you want more play? Ah, you want more play? You want more play? Make you a nice round. We're matching in color today. Both of us have on the same black and white clothes. Yes, 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 yes. You still want more? Oh gosh. Such a nice dog. Okay, I have to go back now to boarding. I have to go back now. You have to go and find your own friends. And leave me to finding birds. Eh? Look a nice, wait, look a nice bird down there. Go and chase a quacky. It's just a guan. Okay, we could still play. Alright. Go and chase a quacky. Yeah. Now you don't want to leave. Okay, I take selfie. And you go? If I take selfie, you go? Hold on, wait. Come back here. Let me take selfie. Come. No? That's a happy dog. Just saw the fridge move. Look at them little bastards. Oi! Get out of here! Get out of here! That's somebody's beans. Get out of here! Your little fridge wrecker. It was a quality that did it. Always lock the doors. Look at this mess. We don't want to clean this up. No. Huh? I said somebody didn't close the door. Yeah. That's a mess. Don't know who beans that is. But they'll have an awfully bad day. Maybe I don't see about the pop. Maybe they could salvage something. Always keep your door closed when you live in the rainforest. So this is a funny story, right? I thought it was a ghost. I heard something behind me. We were sitting out there looking for birds as usual. I heard something and I look through the glass. I see the fridge door was opened and it's moving and I don't see anyone there. I was like, oh. Then I see the little tail. It was a coati. And he wanted to fight with me, that little thing. He opened the fridge, pulled out the beans, made a whole mess in the kitchen. If you run there to see it, the refrigerator is back. He's gone. Yesterday morning the dog chased him off. Can you hear toucan in the background? Black-shotted toucan calling over there. to look like a big adventure. It's another adventure. You can see the people on the sky tram behind me. Today, I'm gonna be walking on top of the forest. I won't be on the sky tram though. There will be zip lining. Oh, there is a sky tram. The walks.
After 5 minutes, you will see the first hanging bridge on the right side. You pass 2 hanging bridges, 1 viewpoint, some restrooms inside of the trail, and if you turn right, you can see another viewpoint, 2 small waterfalls just able to take pictures. Be careful here because it's kind of slippery. At the end of this hanging bridge, we have a spiral stairs, so you have to downstairs and be careful as well.
We have to follow the blue line. It has a restaurant, a zip line, and a tram. So we will see. Anyway, the adventure today is for Sky Adventures Costa Rica. We're only doing the walking part because we want to find some birds, of course, but if you have more time and you want to do, you can do the air tram. I'll get a video of the air tram when I come back. You can also do the zip line. Well, we have to follow the blue line. It's a very easy system. Very doable. Where did it go? They're doing a lot of construction. So if you come here after me, Skywalk entrance, please do not feed the animals. Por favor, no alimentar a los animales. Yeah, they're doing a lot of construction. So if you come here, this will probably be new. I'm a bit excited. Come see the map. So it's going to be an adventure. We're going to walk on some of those walking bridges above the canopy. Try to get out of the noise to do a little bit of an intro. Come, let me show you this. This is where we are. It's the map. Gonna get through there a little bit. Go to a couple waterfalls. Pretty cool. Probably need to take a wee. Couple of hanging bridge all over the place. Wait a minute. No, this is where we are. This is where we are. So we're gonna go here to the first couple of hanging bridges. Alright. People are flying over my head. Trail is marked out. You can hear the zip liners coming over the head. Although it's a skywalk. For me it's a nature walk. Until we get to those sky bridges. So much birds you can find in here. That zoom in song is the zip liner zooming across the top of the canopy. Station 4. It's by a big tree. Just what a moth fly. Lot of activity here. Look at that pristine native forest. This spot sounds like home, and it looks like home. It's actually banana quits calling. That's a big canopy. If you've never been in the rainforest before, this is really cool. Just wait till we get on top of the canopy. There's a sky bridge coming up in a minute. Let's see. So if you look at this tree behind it, that is one of the most interesting trees in the rainforest. It starts off as a parasitic vine and it goes into the ground, and then it kills the tree that it was living on, but it becomes one of the biggest and largest trees in the rainforest. It's really interesting because if you look closely, you're going to see there's a dead branch there and there's a dying branch there. That's from the original tree, but the guy who did all the damage is that big one up there. It's going to be one of the largest trees in the rainforest. Started off as a parasite. Parasites are crazy. Look at the size of its roots. Just look at it, man. It's humongous. Trail to the waterfall. Station 5. I say no walking. Station 5 below a very big tree. This way. I wonder what's up there. Well, we finally reach a sky bridge. This way to the exit? No, we don't want to exit. Oh, we want to go this way. I can hear a zip liner coming. Let's see, they'll pass there. They don't call it Sky Adventures for nothing. Of course, I'm going to take the opportunity to look for birds. Gonna go in that shady spot over there and look to see what we can see on top of this canopy. This is even, oh, it's shaky. This is even deeper, I mean higher than that last one. It's a tad bit scary. You hear that? It's a big woodpecker. Things you only see from on top of the forest. Let me stop here for a minute. Okay, this is scary. This is scary because I can, what's that? I can feel gravity, but we're on the sky bridge. There's like 6 of those. It's gonna be exciting. I can feel gravity. I thought I'd see those zip liners coming down. You can hear them. Oh, I see where they are. When we go over to the other side, we might get to see the zip liners. But yeah, this is some scary stuff. Just see a big monkey just jump across there. Might be a howler. I don't think they have red howler here. It's coming through the bushes there. Let's see. Oh yeah, there they are. Oh, they're jumping from all the top up there. Coming down, Capuchin too. Ooh, that's howlers. I hope you could see it in the video. There's one going up that tree there. We're above the rainforest. Face to face with the face to face with gravity. They're advancing again. I thought they was gonna come here. Look, some more pendulas flying over. It's spider monkey. Okay, just in time. Besides the zip lining, oh, there's an arsari just flew by, colored arsari. There is also a sky tram for the people who don't want to zip line and don't want to walk. There you can see them on the sky tram. It's a guided sky tram. There's the guy waving for us. Oh, look, all those colored arsaris just flew by. Nice birds. But there's more coming. There's more. They're just shooting through. I hope you could see that on the video. An arsari is like a toucan, smaller bird. It's like 8 or 9 of them just fly by. Ah, squirrel monkey. I keep saying squirrel, it's a spider monkey. Might be too far, but if it isn't, I'll show you. So we're gonna keep going across this tram. I guess you should. Oh, look, a nice bird up there. Come with me, yeah? Oh, this is crazy. I'm afraid of heights. I'm afraid of heights. Not afraid of a lot of things, but I could feel, oh, I can't look down. I could feel the gravity. You never see me scared before. Oh Lord, some people coming. You never see me scared before. You better see me now. Let me get out of here. Oh, the monkeys are overhead. Who's saying that? Probably the monkey. There they are. A whole family of, looks like spider monkeys. We are high up, but they are higher. Hola, señor y señora Mona. ¿Cómo estás? There they are. They're not paying any mind to us. Yeah, there's a nice bird right there. What a lovely bird. At the same time, people keep flying by. There's another set of people on the bridge. Easy, I'm gonna get out of here. Look, there's a zip liner coming down. Just wait. Honey creeper, wood creeper. Oh, I forgot to take you to the end. Still on this bridge. Wait, monkey poop. That's monkey. Like urine? Yeah, that's monkey. Probably has some in the bush still. I can feel the gravity. It's much better to be on land. Anyways, if you're not afraid of height, if you're afraid of height, don't do this. Don't do this. If you're not afraid of height, it's worth doing. I mean, it's zip lining, it's the sky tram, it's walking through this bridge. That's just the first one. There's a few more. Let's go. So we just went over the first sky bridge, and look, the second one is right there. The length, what's the height? Height is 230 feet above ground. Man, some scary stuff. El Yukon. Look at it. If you're afraid of heights, this is not for you. Look, there's an ant colony there. Let's take it out a bit. We'll go back on this bridge. Look how small she is. Go all the way in the middle. Let me see how big you go. Look, by that piece of shade spot there. This thing is shaking, man. I may have to go. There's people's coming. See? Going over the bridge. Going over the bridge. This is scary. No, it's not. It's not scary on the end. It's only scary when you're in the middle. because that's when it really shakes. But this is cool because I get to, oh look, there's a beautiful view there of the valley. Look at these nice big trees. Walking through the trees while I'm looking for the birds. This tree is probably like a 400 years old. Just look at how small the guy on the end looks. The one here. These are some long, oh look the hummingbird there. These are some long bridges here. I'm totally boarding and making a video at the same time. Oh look at there. You can do it. Another brown steel. Look how this is shaking. And they're walking on the other end. It's shaking all the way back there. Whoa. That's a falcon. I think that's the colored forest falcon too. Now we're on top of things. You can see well over the canopy. That's where the zip liners are going down there. Interesting. Oh, daiquiris, red tide daiquiris. That's Shasha. That's not Shasha, no? Crested guans. I thought you'd see a zip liner fly down. It's the longest break without seeing one. It's beautiful on top of the rainforest. This one not as bad as the last one. This one not as bad as the last one. It doesn't shake as much when you're in the middle. But it's very active here, so we'll stay on the bridge a little while and try to get some birds. Okay, look, a lot of people coming. There we go now. Off to the next one. I see. I'm going to give you a walking from above view. Walking view from above. Because I'm not looking down. Okay, now my eyes need to adjust to this forest. Bet you can't even see this stairway because it's hidden within the canopy. And then it's green. So it does little disturbance because the wildlife is still everywhere. And then the good thing is you get a little short break walking through the forest. There's no sit down spot. Let's see what we find. This is the hiding tree. Ta-da! Okay, I don't see anything. That's probably a rain shelter. You can Here the short-billed pigeon. Cicada. It's awfully cold in the rainforest. Let me go search these holes for an owl. Maybe I see this little fella. Blue-tailed lizard. He's gone. There's a nice lookout here. Let's go see. Oh, the family didn't go up there? I thought they went up there. Well, El Milon Mirado viewpoint. Look at it. Oh. Wow. Oh, you can see the lake. Yeah, we're high up, yeah? If you're afraid of gravity, again, you might want to stay away from these things. Got a zip line there? Or the sky tram? It's one of the two. Maybe we'll see somebody passing by. Looks like zip lines. We'll wait until we see. What's that? Anyway, look at the beautiful view of the lake. Let's take a few minutes to enjoy the breeze. Good place to do some push-ups. Always a good time to do that stretch. Oh yeah, that was loud. I wonder if you could hear that on the camera. What is that? The board decided to disturb me stretching. So yeah, hopefully you're following this Costa Rica series with me. Not sure what number this video will be, but it's probably be after the Arenal one and the Monteverde. But yeah, we'll be up here. Then we head into Cano Negro next. Then we'll be on the water. So definitely a Cano Negro episode coming up. But yeah, if you like the outdoors, you like nature, you like exploring, Costa Rica is the place for you. Later down I'll be in the city to show you all the city life. But for now, I'm in the rainforest, doing rainforest things. Yeah, but you don't meet a lot of people in here, so it's very quiet, peaceful, tranquil. There's arrows everywhere, so you don't get lost. There's some woodpeckers sneaking up on us. Oh, there. Well, that's the bathroom and a sitting spot. What the fuck? This place is really considerate. You can see they have drinking water, and it's a bathroom here. Really nice bathroom, drinking water. In case you finish with your water, you can buy it. You have good seats. Really cool, comfortable, nice to be. Pura vida. Let me go back to the trail now. Let me show you this quick. There is a short way for the lazy people, and there's the waterfall way. And there's a third way. This is back to where we started. This is probably no longer maintained. Waterfall trail this way. It's a longer way back, but we'll probably be out here another 2 hours. Couple of sky bridges up there. We're going to the top of that hill. Yeah, so that video had to cut short because there was a wobbler. There was a board along the path, and of course the board gets precedence. But look, I think you saw pathway 1, way 5. This is station 7. Just another lizard. I haven't seen a tram pass or the zip line, but there's place for it there. Anyway, I'll show you the next bridge in a while. This is downhill to the waterfall. Next video should be at the waterfall, unless we see something cool. Bridge A. Small bridge. That's a dry waterfall. I hope that's not the waterfall. Yeah, that would be underwhelming if it was the waterfall. But that's a light bridge. Goes deep down into the valley. Bridge A. Okay, let me show you. There's a bridge B. So we've been walking for 2 hours and a half now. We're probably going to spend 5 hours here because we're looking for birds. Bridge B. But if you come here, you don't have to spend 5 hours. I hear a hummingbird. These little bridges are very shaky, but you should be safe. Let me see if there's a bridge C. Most likely not. We've chosen the long trail, but it has all these lookouts. So long is definitely the cool way. And I mean, if you have nothing to do, if you're on holiday, why not? Viewpoint El Lago. That's actually a wren making all this noise. Anyway, it's another part of the lake. We're all the way up there. There are zip lines, but nobody seems to be zip lining in this back area. There's a cicada there. Let's go again. Has to be bats. Oh, there's some baby birds in there. That's the yellow monk. Okay, mommy better don't come and attack me. Hello, little baby birds. Let's not distress them. The mother's probably around here somewhere. Anyway, I was going to show you the sign that says caution, but I heard the baby birds calling. First of 2 waterfalls. Don't know if that's the way to the waterfall. Well, I'll look at the view. Let's go see it. I think that's the view of the waterfall here. Then we have to go back the other way. Okay, I'm wrong. That's the trail. Oh, the other way is if you want to go on top of the waterfall. Waterfall's down inside of it. I'll be quiet for a little while so we can enjoy the natural sounds of the water. waterfall in the rainforest. And footsteps. Another bridge. Whew. Not for the faint-hearted. And this is the waterfall. You could actually go stand on the top if you like, but it's dangerous. There's another one a little way out. Oh, it has a second part. That's why it was a double waterfall. We missed it. It has a second part coming from the top. Walk back up that treacherous hill. Is it worth it? This is where the trail goes. There is another waterfall. This one has two parts. You didn't know. We're gonna just cap onto the other one because it's not going up. We're halfway in the trail, almost 3 hours in. We're not going back up there. We'll see the other one. Plus, there's no birds around here. It's very quiet. It's very quiet. If we're lucky, we'll see a sunbitten. That would be a lifer. Look at this cool bridge coming up. There's a marine water question. Calm down this bridge with me. Woo! I'm not with camera. This is skywalk number 3. It goes all the way down there. This one has a little walk. This is an entire bridge walk. Whoa. Now we're going down the step. To the left, spiral going down to the left. Look at the size of this dead jungle bee. It's huge. Yeah. It's probably the biggest bee I've ever seen. Go back. There is a cool riverside walk. No, you don't have to stay there 6 hours as 5 hours as we've been here. We've been here 4 hours so far because we're looking for birds. But you can do this trail in like 2 hours at least. Let's see what's adventurous around here. Maybe things one to do. Oh, many people as well. Yes, it's another bridge. Oh, that's the last of the bridge. Ah, mosquitoes. Oh, that's a small one. I'm not sure if that's one of the skywalks or if that's just a bridge. It's not well maintained, this one. Nope. But wherever we must go. This one really shaky too. Well, it's not the hardest fall if it was to give way. Look at this. That might be the last one of those sky bridges. I can't stop mentioning how. Hey, so look at this tree, right? The vine around the actual tree is going to grow into that one I showed you guys earlier, and it's going to take over the entire forest. It's already killing the tree that it's around, so it will outlive it, and then it will become one of the largest trees in the rainforest. Anyway, I was just going to show you this small bridge, but we see a younger version. It's lovely here. Look at all the cherry trees. Signs of a rainforest. As expected, if you went down a lot of hills, you're gonna have to go up a lot of hills to get back. And that's what we're doing now. Clearly I'm a bit winded. I was just down there, you can see people. Clearly I'm a bit winded. But this is good. Did me 100 push-ups. So I can do the uphills. I was in the bush and I still don't know what's making that noise. Yeah, but it's one over my head. Oh. Yeah. So 4.5 hours it took me to figure out it's a well, I knew it was a hummingbird making that noise, but I could not see it, and I just saw it. I didn't get a photo. Maybe I'll get a photo of it. Five hours we made it here. This is, which one is this? This is probably a tram. Don't know what's up there. Oh, zip line. This is one of the zip line. What do you call that thing? Platforms. Another zip line. It's probably the practice run for the zip line. Look at this cool car. Old school. Yeah. Oh, there's a bee walk. Let's go see. I think that's where that bee place is. Like a bee museum. Okay, so they have a bee sanctuary, bee museum here. This is a stingless bee. Look at them. I think this one is stingless bee. It's not bother them too much. Oh, look at this large group there. Big hive over there. Let's just leave them be. Pun intended. Where are the dangerous bees? This look like a different, yeah, that's a different type right there. Hey there, little fellows, let's not harass them. Your numbers look small. Zip line coming. Oops, stingless bees again. Okay, there are no dangerous bees on this bee walk. I thought I'd get some dangerous bees, to be honest with you. It's only stingless. Yeah, but they solve their part too. So they have these bee sanctuaries to enhance the population. This one is really cool. Yeah, I mean, if you're afraid of bees, don't come here. For the real adventurers, there's a rock climbing surface as well. It's a bit of everything here. They weren't kidding. Sky adventures. Not bad. I hear a bat. So guys, this is the end of this one. Probably show some people flying down the zip line in a minute. Let me check. We saw 68 species of birds. Like yesterday we saw 90 species, I think, or 80 something. I don't remember, 91. But we walked for 5 hours, yeah. Truth is I could go some more, but there was some areas with just no wildlife whatsoever. It's really good if you like to be in the outdoors. I highly recommend. It's good. Now they did not pay me to say this, but it's really good. I've been to the Arenal Observatory Lodge. This one's pretty cool. If you like adventures, there's rock climbing, there's zip lining, there's the tram. It's pretty cool. Definitely, I'm happy there. On to the next adventure. Most important thing when you do this zip lining, you must always have maintenance. The trams are out. I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see. Hola. We got to wait and see. Beautiful in here. It's a big shop. I go by the restaurant. We actually live right here. So that's the back. See the volcano up there, the lake. So it's really cool. Let me wait until I see somebody come down the zip line. You're going in the shade? I'll wait until I see somebody come down the zip line. Well, besides that one person. Oh, how they stop? Not bad. We wait for another person. It's a long wait. Okay, somebody coming. Hey, there's a little child. Look at the tiny thing. Okay, so it's a wrap for Arenal. Now after Cano Negro. It's only a 2-hour drive, so doubt there'll be anything interesting along the way.